InspiraFarms, whose aim is to transform the global food industry one agribusiness at a time, was formed to provide tools, technology and expertise to help significantly reduce food losses and energy costs and access higher value markets. InspiraFarms' approach is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, they seek to fully understand the client well. That is, the farm's products, the activity and the required infrastructure. Equipped with this information, then designs are custom-made specifically to meet the demand. A facility easy to assemble as they are made in a Lego for adults kind of design. Each component is purpose-designed, shipped and assembled using a clear manual by a local team with remote help from Italy on standby. InspiraFarms is revolutionizing the agricultural sector by creating a global connected network of first-mile distribution facilities, trading millions of kilograms of quality fresh produce from the point of production to domestic and global food markets.